In Part 1, you learned what Stoicism is. Now, let me share with you the most powerful principle, the dichotomy of control. Have you ever felt like life keeps spinning out of control, no matter how hard you try to hold everything together? You plan, you strive, you hope, but something always slips away. A person's opinion, a result, an outcome. The Stoics saw this centuries ago. Epictetus, a man born a slave, discovered a truth so powerful that it became the foundation of his entire philosophy. He said, "Some things are up to us, and some things are not." That's it. 10 words that can change the way you experience life. You can't control the economy, the weather, or what someone else thinks of you. But you can always control how you respond, your thoughts, your words, your actions. And when you stop wasting your energy on what's outside your control, peace begins to shake itself within you. Epictetus used to tell his students, when something happens, don't wish it were different. Instead, wish to respond with virtue. If someone criticizes you, don't waste the day defending yourself. Use that moment to practice patience. If you fail at something important, don't drown in frustration. Use it to strengthen your resilience. This is the dichotomy of control, and it's the Stoic rule that ends 80% of your problems. Because most of our suffering doesn't come from events themselves, but how we judge them, from the stories we tell ourselves about what should have happened. Seneca once wrote, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." And he was right. We replay conversations that are already over. We worry about futures that haven't even arrived. But the Stoic chooses a different path. He practices the discipline of perception. He learns to see things as they are, no more, no less. It's not indifference, it's strength in clarity. It's choosing to be calm, not because life is easy, but because you understand what truly belongs to you. So, the next time you feel anxious or overwhelmed, pause. Ask yourself a single question. Is this under my control? If the answer is yes, act with all your strength. If the answer is no, release it completely. That's where real freedom begins. Because the moment you stop trying to control the uncontrollable, you gain mastery over yourself. And when you master yourself, the world can no longer shake your peace. Next up, in Part 3, I'll teach the 4 Stoic virtues, the complete code of conduct to train your mind to live with wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. If this resonated with you, consider subscribing for more Stoic wisdom.